You're watching how Leap How to Fix can't be displayed in Telegram. This error typically occurs when viewing media or links, often due to connectivity or privacy settings. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Next, ensure your Telegram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Telegram and tap Update if available. A key step is to clear Telegram's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Telegram Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings General iPhone Storage Telegram Offload app, then reinstall it. If the issue is with a specific image or video, it may have been deleted by the sender. Ask them to resend the file. For this channel can't be displayed errors. You may have been removed from the channel or it may have been deleted. Try searching for the channel publicly. Another fix is to adjust your privacy settings. In Telegram, go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Under Sensitive Content, ensure the Disable filtering option is enabled if available in your region. For persistent issues, try logging out and back in. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Log Out, then log in again with your phone number. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Telegram app to refresh all files. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.